Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making tater tot breakfast sausage casserole. Alright, I'm starting out in a skillet and it's hot. And I have 2 pounds of breakfast sausage here. I'm going to get this in here and get this browned up. And when it's about halfway browned up, I'm going to add in 1 onion and 1 green bell pepper that I diced up. Alright, now that my sausage mixture's browned up and set aside, in a 9x13 baking pan, I sprayed this with some cooking spray oil. And I took 2 pounds of tater tots, baked them on a cookie sheet in the oven to the directions on the package. Now if you live in a different country and you can't get tater tots, just take hash brown patties, brown them up in the oven, and then cut them up into pieces. So I went ahead and put the tater tots in a 9x13 baking pan. Now I'm going to take my sausage mixture. And this is on drain because there really isn't much grease in there. And I'm going to go ahead and stir this down into the tater tots. And the reason you pre-bake your tater tots is because that makes everything cook a lot quicker in the oven. And your tater tots stay a little crispier. Alright, now I'm going to take some of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic seasoning. I sprinkled it in there. And if you can't get this, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder will work just fine. Now I'm going to put a little cheese in here. And I should have had my cheese open ahead of time, but I didn't. But that's no big deal. It'll take 2 seconds. I'm going to put a little bit of shredded cheddar in there. And a little bit of shredded mozzarella cheese. And this won't take long in the oven because everything's pre-cooked. Except for the egg that we're adding in, and the cheese needs to melt, but that won't take long. And I'm going to add a little shredded mozzarella. All overboard. I'm going to go in there with my spoon and give that a stir to get that cheese down in there. This is a quick, easy weeknight meal for when you worked to throw together. You can throw this together in advance and put it in the fridge after it cools, and then throw it in the oven to preheat it. Now I have 8 eggs that I scrambled. We're going to dump that down in there. We're just going to work that down into the casserole. And now we're going to hit this with a little more cheese. More of that mozzarella. And don't be shy with your cheese, guys. Unless you're my brother Terry. Terry hates cheese, so he would have his without cheese, which I think is crazy because cheese makes a good breakfast casserole. More cheddar in there. Now I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven uncovered for about 15 to 20 minutes so that cheese is melted and those eggs are cooked through. Alright, this just came out of the oven and went for 15 minutes. You can see the cheese is all nice and melted and golden brown. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I garnished it with a little fresh parsley. Let me get in here and give this a try. We'll go right in the middle. You get the delicious sausage that's well seasoned. It's cheesy. You get the egg. Tater tots are really good with the egg and the sausage. Guys, that's really delicious and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Tater Tot sausage breakfast casserole. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.